How are you all? I hope that everybody fit and fine. Today this video I want to share what is the importance of English and why should learn this language English. So today this video I want to share this topic. So English is very important for us. So some teacher teaches only in English in school, reading and writing. So English has requires to four things: reading skill, speaking skill, writing skill and listening skill. So the school teacher teaches only reading and writing. So what is the facility of reading and writing? If you know reading, so what is the meaning after reading this text? So you can understand this reading skill. And writing skill is the improve. If you want to improve your writing skill, so first of all you learn grammar, then you writing skill is very boost your writing skill. So writing skill, first you know grammar, then you can any type writing, story, paragraph writing and biography writing. And speaking skill is everybody is tough, but it is not tough, it is so easy. If you practice regularly, so you can learn easily. So speaking skill, if you know speaking skill, what is the facility of speaking skill? If you know speaking English, so you can go anywhere in this country, but other country, so you can communicate any other person. So and if you know speaking English, so you can get any other job in any multinational company and so many company. And listening skill is request to watching movies and web series, you can learn this listening skill. So this is my video.